Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and welcome to another Vlogmas. We're doing again another sit down style video, but I wanted to go ahead and make a wreath for our front door, and I didn't want to buy a $30, $40 or more wreath, so I figured why not go ahead and DIY one. So if you are interested in seeing how I am going to put my wreath together, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get started, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get crafting. Alright guys, so like I had mentioned, I didn't want to spend so much on a wreath, especially since I'm the kind of person who likes to do a lot of DIY projects. So this is definitely right up my alley. It's fun for me, I enjoy it, and I figured why not go ahead and share with you guys how I did mine. That way you guys can go ahead and get some ideas or even make one like this yourself. So these garlands I already had from previous years, but you can easily find these anywhere and they're not too expensive. We've got some poinsettias, which you can get at the Dollar Tree, which that's where I got these from, along with these little pieces as well. Ornaments, most people already have a bunch, so you just kind of gotta go ahead and pick the colors that you want. I am using green and gold. And then this is a wreath form, which I got at the Dollar Tree. Now I am going to attempt to put this together without having to use any kind of glue, because if I want to change it up, I don't need to like be pulling things apart, but let's see how it goes. So let's go ahead and get started making our own wreath. Alright guys, so I am starting off with my garland. I decided to go with a wired garland just because I thought it would be a lot easier for it to secure itself to the wreath, which it actually did, and it worked out really great. I also did try to not have it as tight as possible, that way it could stay kind of full and fluffy. And then towards the end, once I'm done filling up the wreath, I actually go ahead and try to spread it out even further just to keep, again, that fullness. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my poinsettias and place them on the wreath. That way I can go ahead and see where I'd like for them to go. After I find the right spaces for them, I'm going to go ahead and take everything else and just insert them in between the flowers. To attach the ornaments to the wreath, I am just taking the ornament hooks and wrapping them, of course, around the ornament itself, and then straightening out the other end so that I can go ahead and stick it through all the way to the back, and then just folding it over to secure it to the wreath. To attach my flowers to the wreath, I am just taking another ornament hook and straightening it out and just wrapping the base of the flower to the hook, and then again just putting it straight through and attaching it towards the back. After I took a look at how my wreath was looking, I felt like it needed a little something more, so I decided to grab these brown ornaments and attach them, and I even found a candle that I decided to go ahead and add to my wreath as well. To attach the candle to the wreath, I just took two of the longer ornament hooks, straightened them out, intertwined them together so that I had one big long piece that would be long enough to go ahead and wrap completely around the candle, bring towards the front to be able to go ahead and secure it correctly. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I absolutely love it, and it definitely did not cost me $30, $40. It didn't even cost me $20. A lot of this stuff I already had. The only thing that I actually did purchase was the wreath form. So I know everybody has a bunch of Christmas decorations lying around at home, so you could easily go ahead and get this done with what you have. And even if you don't have anything, again, the Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store, literally everything on here is from one of those places. So as you can see, I went ahead and added these little brown ornaments as well because I kind of just felt like it needed a little bit more. And I found my candle in my Christmas box, decoration box, so I figured I might as well go ahead and add it as well. The only thing I wish I had were those like little twinkling lights, like those firefly lights that I could have put like within the wreath. I think that would have looked really nice, but this looks really great and I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang this out on my door and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so that is my little DIY Christmas wreath hanging on our door. I freaking love it, it's so cute. Don't mind how dirty the door is. We live above a business, so it's, you know, forever dusty. But could you guys imagine like if it had like the little twinkling lights, how much more it would, I feel it would stand out, especially at night. But I still love it nonetheless. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, so that is my little DIY. It makes me so happy. I love making things myself. Anyways, I hope this gave you some ideas to go ahead and do something yourself. It looks just as nice as the ones that you would pay $40 or more, and it didn't cost me anything for the most part. So that is it for today. I will see you guys a little bit later, obviously when we go ahead and open up his Advent gift tonight. So we'll see you then. Today is 16. 16. What number do you have today? What number? Do you need help?
Help.
Help? I think you got it. 20. What is that? Is that a, what is that? That looks like Play-Doh. Alright guys, so what he got today was this little Play-Doh set. It's actually a bath Play-Doh, so all of them are actually soap and they're moldable, and it's got like little stencils and stuff so that you can go ahead and play in the tub. But that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Adios, Papa. Adios. Adios.